this is where I'm gonna order my offals. Journeyman Meat, great butcher here. It's on the expensive side, but it's got great products. Open sesame. Okay, the meat is great. The meat is great. Dry aged beef right here. Look at those babies. Those are tomahawks. About 90 days dry aged. Great. I'm gonna take the oxtail, and which is USDA certified right there, or the usobuco, and I'm gonna order the rest. They have great selections of meats here. And here's the saddest part in Healdsburg restaurants is Campo Fina is permanently closed. Oh my god, that's so sad. They've been here for a long time, and they really did a great job. Why? I guess the landlord raised the rent to a point where it's not affordable. This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get some beef feet right there. I'm gonna get some pata de pollo. This is the chicken feet. Okay, now we have our offals. We got some beef feet, and we got some chicken feet. We're gonna make the bone broth, and not the stock. We're talking about gelatin now. All right, we're gonna add some water and cover them. So we have our mirepoix ready. I got the organic carrots, of course, onions, celery. For the herbs, I'm choosing tonight to do some rosemary from the garden, plus some garlic. And also, I got some acid here, which is the vinegar, which will extract basically all the nutrients and the elements needed from the animal bones that we gotta do some skimming here, get the impurities out. So the broth has been in the fridge for overnight. We're gonna get them out, and we're gonna see how gelatin has been made. Transformed from liquid to gelatin. Liquid health. Wow. Check this out. Wow. So all the fat is in the surface. And we're gonna poke through this and see. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That is gelatin. Liquid health. Okay? From scratch. There we go. And that's what you want. It's like a little cake, but every day use some of this and you'll be healthier than hell.